If you're looking for a Hostinger WordPress hosting coupon code so you can get Hostinger WordPress hosting at a discount so you can begin creating a website or blog, I'll be providing you with a Hostinger WordPress hosting promo code to enter at checkout that will save you money. The Hostinger WordPress coupon code discount will get you up to 75% off Hostinger WordPress hosting. To get your Hostinger WordPress coupon code discount of up to 75% off, click the link below in the description. No promo code is needed to get the discount as it is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Hostinger WordPress hosting discount. Once you click the link below in the description, it'll take you to the page you see here, which is the Hostinger homepage. Click on Hosting at the top. From the drop-down, click on WordPress Hosting. Scroll down to the Choose Your WordPress Hosting plan. You will see 4 plans listed: the Single WordPress Plan, WordPress Starter Plan, Business WordPress Plan, and the WordPress Pro Plan. You will see the discounted rate you can get for each of these plans listed. You will get up to 75% off the Single WordPress Plan, up to 75% off the WordPress Starter Plan, up to 50% off the Business WordPress Plan, and up to 60% off the WordPress Pro Plan. The Single WordPress Plan comes with one website, so this plan is good if you only have one website. If you plan on having multiple websites, then the WordPress Starter Plan, Business WordPress Plan, or the WordPress Pro Plan would be what you want to go with. Once you choose a plan, click the Add to Cart button. For this video, I'm going to choose the Single WordPress Hosting Plan. You will now be on the page where you can complete your order. You will see the discounted price based on the hosting plan you chose. The hosting terms range from monthly, 12 months, 24 months, and 48 months. You will notice you will get the greater discount the farther out you purchase hosting for. Next, fill out the rest of the details like your email, payment information, and click the Submit Secure Payment button. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger WordPress hosting coupon discount. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my Hostinger WordPress coupon code discount. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.